Hello, this is my screencast presentation and it's on the social contract. And my name is Latricia Maddox. Basic information. Jean-Jacques Rousseau created the social contract in 1762 in France. The book was originally called Du Contrat Social aux Principes du Droit Politique in French. The contract originated during the Age of Enlightenment, stating that the majority of the people were surrender some of their rights for protection of the government, which basically means that they might give up some land or they might raise cattle and give them away to the government for protection. Here is a picture of the book that was famous. Other prominent theorists of the 17th century. Hugo Grotius, his book was written in 1625 on the law of peace and war, and it was famous in the Enlightenment time because it was the greatest development of international law. Thomas Hobbes is also considered one of the founders of political psychology because of his book Leviathan, who also helped explain the social contract. Here's a picture of Hugo Grotius, and here's a picture of Thomas Hobbes. Grotius' beliefs. He believed that individual human beings had natural rights. He was also known as the father of modern science and natural law. And here's one of his famous books on on the law of war and peace. This is one of the books that helped define the social contract as it is today, as we know it today. Thomas Hobbes believed the lives of individuals in the state of nature were solitary, poor, and nasty. He also helped define civil society versus the state with the liberal thought. Conclusion. The social contract is a contract that basically states that an individual can give up certain rights for protection from the government. The contract was made of different beliefs from different individuals, like Rousseau and Grotius and Hobbes. Thank you.